The all-new SOHO 50 by Taubik. This is brand new for 2024. This is the SOHO behind me. It's a completely different frame, different battery, but they share that they are a cruiser style step through. What's been really missing from the market are bicycles that have a shorter seat height. I'm 5'3", and this is what it's like for me to sit on the bike. So when you're pedaling, you do want to be able to extend your legs, but not everybody wants to do that. So they've made some beautiful changes with this bike. It now comes with a 15 amp hour battery that's easily removable. It comes with hydraulic disc brakes, as they had before, 7-speed trigger shift. The front suspension's been upgraded as well. The previous one just had a center suspension on it, so this is much nicer. Taubik all around is a very thoughtful company. That's how I explain to customers, is that very, very thoughtful about everything they put into the bike. For example, their lights are much brighter. I'm sorry, I forget the lumens. A little button down here. This is how you turn it on. There is your speedo, gives you your percentage of your battery. This is me going up the 5 assists. And if we want to turn on the front light, you press and hold the up button. So there's your front light, nice and bright. And another thing they have is the integrated light and brake light into the rear rack. So just a really nice clean look, but I love the fact that all the Taubik models now come with this braking. I think that's super important. So here's a little, I love this because the chain can hit your frame and chip it, but they've put a nice guard on there as well. They've done a heavy duty derailleur guard, which is nice. Their brakes are, the disc brakes are thicker as well. Your steering column is adjustable. So just take, I think it's a 10 mil, an Allen key. It comes with it. It comes with the toolkit, and it comes with paint, touch-up paint, which again, so thoughtful. So you can adjust this handlebar as much as you want. It can go up, twist it this way, that way. These handles are beautiful because if you're riding like myself, my hands get, my wrists get numb. I lose circulation. So now you've got somewhere to rest your hands. So your throttle is on this side. A lot of bikes have them on this side, but this is something that's really smart because you have your throttle. Oh, let's put it on one. You've got your throttle. And that's a full throttle, so it doesn't matter what level of assist you're on. You will always get the full range of power from 0 to 32 kilometers, no matter what level you're on. That's a beautiful thing. So your power's on this side of the bike, which is very intuitive, and then your gears are on this side. Always in the past, you had your throttle over here with your gears, and that was kind of cumbersome. And so that makes a lot of sense. I like the gauge as well because this is something you're going to be able to see a lot easier in the sun. It is something that's hard to see sometimes, but it looks like they've addressed that really well. The paint's beautiful. They come in 5 different colors. The tires are that perfect in between. I think they're 2.25. So whether you're doing street or some off-road, this tire is going to be no problem on either terrain. And so a nice step through, and they are $24.99. They are UL2849 approved, certified. That's very, very important. That means this is they've gone through the regulations that this bike is 100% safe. And part of that is that there's a better BMS system in the battery. BMS means battery monitoring system. So this has protection that your battery can't go dead, because with lithium batteries, if you leave your battery dormant and dead, sometimes you can't get it back up into life. You also can't overcharge these batteries. If you forget and you leave this on the charger for 2 months, this battery knows to turn off, and that's what everybody worries about, and it has been a concern, and Taubik has addressed that by having their whole 2024 lineup be UL2849 certified. And again, Samson or LG cells. These are name brand cells in here. Just the pedals, everything. The suspension. And it's good to have plastic fenders as well as opposed to metal, because if you get dirt up in there, it makes noise. So you do want the plastic, that's a good thing. We love Taubik. We bring Taubik in and we have Emo. Those are the two brands because we've got something that will fit you, because each brand has a little bit of a different frame. And we've already sold a few of these. People have been waiting for these. And look at that seat. That is nice on the bum. That's a nice seat for the bum. So yeah, we love them, $24.99. In stock now.